Good afternoon, everyone, and Happy New Year. We're finally here, finally past the holidays, finally past last year, which I am very thankful for. Wasn't a good year. Really good business year, but nothing, not a lot. A lot of losses last year. A lot of people gone. Yeah. Anyhow, very thankful that I'm here, and we're going to keep on going. So, a couple of changes to the website, a couple of updates on different things. Just wanted to fill everybody in. The website's going to change a little bit on the gallery pages. Okay, the gallery pages are going to show what, at that time, if there is any, knives available now. Okay, and then there's another one that has knives, custom order knives available. And then, of course, my wait time and everything. I'm actually going to be doing away with that shortly. And it'll just be a gallery page that'll show the knives that are available to order, but not through the website. Okay. I would like to stick with limited run knives. Takes a little bit of the pressure off me here, where I just offer 6 or so knives at a time. And people order them, and that's it. It also gets the knives to people a little faster than the 24-month time frame I have now, which I do not like. I don't like making people wait that long. Still have quite a backlog right now, and I'm trying to work all that down, get that to the point where I've caught up entirely. Yeah, that's I know that's funny. But I don't like carrying that long of a backlog, and I would really prefer to just have limited runs and phone orders and filling the requests from people on the wait list. I tell you, we've got 230 something people on there right now, so some of them are getting impatient sometimes. A lot of them have already gotten their knives from, either me making the knife for them or through some of the limited runs or whatever. And it really is primarily one where it's the wait list is just a notification of what I have available at that moment. I usually give it a half a day or a day's notice ahead of time to let everybody know that I have that knives available. So just going to change things a little bit, take a little bit of a load off my back here this year. Not getting any younger, as you can see from my ever-graying beard. And lining up with about 62 here this year, so knees aren't quite what they used to be. Just informed by my doctor. Thank you. I can't wait to get those shots in my knees. Oh, boy. Anyhow, got to do what you got to do. So, all right. So, next limited run. Okay, got a little notes here because Anyway, next limited run is not, again, I know everybody wants the Hudson Bays, and I've got a lot of those on back order still that I'm trying to clean up. A lot of people on the wait list as well. People requesting them, calling here and everything. So I'd like to clean those up first before I actually put out another run of those available to purchase. So, but have patience. They're coming. Don't worry. I'm not forgetting Hudson Bays. So, the next ones will be a mid-size knife. Okay, either the Bushcraft Woods knife or the mid-size Frontier. Okay, somewhere in the middle. It's not a big honking knife, not an expensive big knife. So we'll see how that goes, and that won't be too much farther out here. Maybe in a week, maybe a little less. I don't know. We'll see. Again, I got an awful lot going on, so I had a nice break for the holidays. I don't want to run myself into the ground again that quick. However, my brain was still working while I was taking that couple days off there, and I get these thoughts in my head of different styles of knives and what I can change and what something pops into my head, and I can't help it. I either got to come out here and make the knife, or I got to make a pattern for it. So that's kind of what I did, because I don't have time to make the knife. I made a pattern. Alrighty, there it is right there. Now, you probably noticed some familiar style to it there. This is the St. Lawrence Expedition knife blade. except this is the bigger one. This is not the 6-inch blade. I think that one is. This is the special edition one, which is 7.5 inches long. Okay, still got that drop point, the belly right here like a bolo pattern. Very, very good knife. You know, extremely good, efficient cutting knife, and very popular too. So that's why I've incorporated this new style into my pattern. Now, this is same thing, St. Lawrence. This part right here behind the blade, but this part, this back part right here, comes off of my Long Hunter knife that I've, you know, the buffalo style knife that I made. Geez, I made a whole bunch of those last year sometime, and particularly this bird's beak pattern right here, detail. Okay, of course, what that does, you know, is it holds your hand back when you're swinging, especially with a big ass knife like this. You know, my knife styles, my knife handles are, I always designed to either be fat down here somewhat, just you know, to hold your hand back. So, you know, if you go, you're swinging or whatever, you've got that control that you don't feel like the knife's going to go flying out. But that detail, this is actually a functioning detail here, helps even more by holding your hand right there. So anyway, really comfortable knife, really good. Don't ask me when I'm going to get it done though. I'll try. You know, I got a lot going on, so, and I got a name for it, but I'm not going to tell everybody just yet, because you know how that goes. I might change my mind. Hell, I might even change the style by the time it's over. You never know. You know, that's the way things go here. Anyhow, so I guess that's about it. So watch for the next limited run. All right, I'll be notifying everybody. Well, probably here too, but also on my the website and the wait list. Okay, if you haven't joined the wait list, please do so. Please like and subscribe to the channel here if you haven't done that either. Having a great time with this. I'm getting a kick out of it. I get subscribers all the time, and it's lots of comments, lots of nice comments. Thank you for everybody out there who's taking the time to say something nice on my channel here. Thank you. Anyway, okay, so Happy New Year once again, everybody, and we'll catch everybody in the next one. Thanks again.